Hello and welcome. I'm revisiting a pour that I did maybe about a week and a half ago, and I'm going to show you how I did this split cup pour. But then after I finished it, I thought, why not go a step ahead and gillify it, which is what I did. So I'm basically running through the technique that I did for my background with this 4-chamber cup pour in these really yummy teals and phthalo blue and very pale blue. I'm running through this and then I'll show you, of course, how I gillified it, and I'm really super duper happy. So here we go, now for the edits. So that was the finished pour on the chamber cup pour. Now I'm adding my swipe lines. So there is a purple there, sort of a reddish purple, and a black swipe, and I'm going to take my soft plastic file divider and create some magic, hopefully. So fingers crossed, people. I mean, I do love pushing the boundaries to pour. Even if you're unhappy with it, I think, what would this look like, done this way or that way, and that's it. Just get creative, and this is how new techniques and different looks are found or created, and just by experimenting. So I am absolutely one for experimenting, and probably if you're just starting in your art journey, you might not want to go along that track. You might want to just try proven, tested techniques so as you can get something that you're really happy with. But when you're on an art journey that, you're kind of doing anything and everything that your heart desires, you certainly need to explore, or I certainly find that that's what I need to do. So there we go. That swipe has actually created the most gorgeous cells that you cannot, my camera don't seem to pick up real well. But they're gorgeous when I bring you down closer, and the close-ups you will see. Now, of course, I'm gillifying it with some balloon rolls and balloon kissing. But you will see how that balloon, using a balloon as your paintbrush, basically, as your tool, to bring up some lovely feathery effects from underneath. This kind of reminds me of like pouring rain, looking through the leaves, and it certainly looks like 3D floating effect to me. And I haven't even had a drink of wine. There you go. But I was in my element, kissing and rolling, seeing what it turned out like. And I am really happy with how this piece actually turned out. So I hope that you liked my edits. But if you didn't, that's absolutely fine. I just encourage you to do things your way, your art, your rules, your way, and don't let anybody try and dim your light and take your shine away. Just do what your heart desires. So Jilly wasn't quite happy with all the edits I'd already done, so here we go. I'm going to do puddle pours now. I'm going to literally pour these puddles in there. I'm adding my cell activator, which is this particular one is the black with Australian Floetrol only. And then I'll create my blowout blooms in it. So it literally has got several different techniques in this one, to the cup chamber pour and tilt, to the then swipe, to balloon kissing and rolling, now puddle pours, and a chaos blow. So it's literally putting all the different techniques, several of them, into one particular piece of art. Very simple colours, very minimalistic really. Those colours might not be for everyone's taste, but that's it. You do it in your own colours. your way. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. And there's my little blown flower. Very, very cute. Very cutie patootie. So, my lovelies, I was happy with this, and I hope you had fun watching my crazy antics. But I'll continue on with this and just add a bit of final touches just to give it some depth, and it really does look like 3D, like you're looking through to a rainy background. Well, there you go. Wiggly bits added. You may have wanted them, you may not have, but that's it. I'll give you a close-up of those. Look at that. It is quite beautiful. And the finished product hanging on the wall looks stunning, even if I do say so myself. So there you go, my lovelies. Thank you so much for joining me, Crazy Art Lady. Please hope you join me again tomorrow. I will say bye for now.